Hey, what is up guys? It's the Michigan Minecrafter back here with another video, and today I'm going to be giving you guys another OBS tutorial because it's been a while since I had the last one that I recorded, and I've learned a lot since then about the way that OBS works and the different kind of things that you could do with it. So first of all, as you can see, I've got all these different scenes here, and one of the things that I've learned is what the purpose of different scenes are. So as you can see, I've got my Minecraft one, vlogs, Eagle News number 2, next car game, small Minecraft, and tutorial. And there's a reason I have so many different ones. So first of all, if I switch to, because I'm on my Minecraft one right now, which has face cam and Minecraft, which is basically just a recording of the entire window. And then if I switch to vlog, as you can see, I go full screen, because all I have here is a camera, which I think when you, well, I'll explain that later. And then if we go to Eagle News, which Eagle News is the little news thing that my school does, and I was gonna do a review of the Power School app, which is an app where you can check your grades and stuff and let them use it, but I haven't gotten around to it yet. But this was the format that I was gonna use. So as you can see, I've got my face right here, as you guys can see right there. That's my face, and then down here, okay. Getting my directions as far as the camera goes all confused. So down here is a banner for my channel, just as like a shameless plug kind of thing. And then over here, right there, is actually a desktop view. So if I move my mouse over there, actually you can't see it because I have the mouse turned off. But if I move the OBS window over there, you'll be able to see it. There it is. And then I have like this program that mirrors my iPod screen to the computer, which I actually just got, and I might be able to use to do like Clash of Clans kind of stuff, and try that again on a separate note. But basically, I have my iPod screen right there, and that's how I would review the Power School app. And then Eagle News 2 is just a slightly different one with a wider desktop view, because I was gonna do it on my mom's tablet because I figured that'd be higher resolution. Next car game is a smaller view of the desktop, because if I switch to the Minecraft view, as you can see, I've got some other icons down here, as well as the taskbar. But if I switch to next car game, it narrows down to just like from the Skype icon and up, and that's because I record next car game in a like 720 by 480. No, that's not what it is. It's a 720 pixel area, because that way next car game runs a little better. And then small Minecraft is just the middle of the screen, because like, you know, when you press the maximize and minimize button on Minecraft and it goes down to that little tiny window in the middle of the screen, well, as it turns out, at least on my computer anyway, when it's in that smaller square, shaders actually run really smoothly. So that's how I record like little shader clips that I use for other things. And then finally, tutorial I just made as a copy of Minecraft, so that I can demonstrate the next thing that I wanted to show you guys, which is how you basically set up like the Eagle News style recordings. So the way that I get my face cam and the way that I got all the different things into the Eagle News sections is because I click, well, the way that I do it is I click Edit Scene, and it basically makes it so that you can move things around. So if I just move my OBS over here, so when I'm recording this, pay attention to this screen, guys, because this is what I'm seeing. But obviously I'm recording with it as I'm moving things around, so things over here are gonna look kind of funky as I'm editing stuff. I don't know, it's weird. but hopefully you'll get the idea of what's going on. So if I click the two different layers of OBS that are going to be recording, as you can see, I have different, I have a red box that surrounds them, and basically what that means is that you've selected that layer, and it actually highlights the sources that you're clicked on as well, and then you can move it around. So not sure how this is going to turn out in recording, but basically I'm moving the face cam around, and I can choose where it goes, and if I want it up in the corner, it'll kind of lock into place. So then when I have, like on the Eagle News part where I had my Michigan Minecrafter banner, what I have to do is I click add, and then there's all these different things that you can add. Mostly I just use monitor capture and video capture device because that's the two that I'm using right here. But one of the things you can add is image. So let's just say image, and then if we choose a file, we could choose, let's see, desktop, Minecraft pics, and let's choose this one, let's say. And then if we go like that, obviously the image is taking up the whole screen because we're recording in 1080p and this is a 4K image. So what we're going to want to do is scale it down. So you guys probably couldn't see that because the image was covering the whole screen, but if I grab this corner and scale it down, I could change the size that it is in the recording. So there we go, scale it down all the way, and then we have this picture on here, and you could change, I guess you can't really change that. You could probably do like sub layers or something like that, and then you can like lock that into a corner or something, and that's pretty cool. But one thing that I also really like is that I've just recently found out that you could do is if I go to the Minecraft layer, which is already selected apparently, I can click, let's see, properties, I think, yeah, and then you can actually choose a sub-region, which is how I get the small Minecraft and the next car game video layouts. So if you click the sub-region checkbox, then you can select the region, and I'm not sure how this is going to turn out in recording, but basically what happens is you get a box that goes around the whole screen, and then you could like shrink it down to the area you want it to be in. So I'm going to select the region. Let's see, scale it down, there we go, and maybe this will just show up normally, I'm not sure, but that's what I'm hoping anyways. And I think, yeah, let's just do this area then, right in the middle of the screen. Actually, we'll do it the area over top of OBS, and then if I click outside the square, it'll just be that area selected. And did it do it? Kind of, I think so. No. And you know, it might just be, wait, if I click OK, maybe it'll do it? Yeah, okay, and then it gets all funky. So then we could just drag it out like this. As you can see, like, make sure you're looking at the OBS part of the screen because I don't know what's going on in other places, but if we drag it out, there we go. Click it onto the screen, and then it's just in the area, it's just recording the area of the screen that has OBS in it. So this might all be a little confusing to you guys. My suggestion would be just hop onto OBS. Well, if you don't already have it, go to OBS's website, which if you search OBS, it should be the first thing that pops up. Download OBS, mess around with it, just try it out. There's no harm in messing around with it really, because if you screw up the settings, you can always click reset to default. And plus, if you're doing anything in a video that you want to keep, I guess, just make sure ahead of time that all the settings are working by just making a test video or whatever. That's what I always do anyway. But yeah, if you enjoyed this OBS tutorial or found it helpful in any way, definitely be sure to slap that like button and subscribe, and I will see all of you guys in the next video.